Ever wondered which foods could actually supercharge your brain power? Nutrition plays a vital role in determining our mental performance, and the right foods can make all the difference in boosting our brain function, enhancing our focus, and improving our overall cognitive abilities. Poor dietary choices can lead to a range of issues that hinder our daily lives, such as brain fog, lack of focus, and fatigue. Brain fog in particular is a common complaint where people struggle to concentrate, make decisions, or even recall simple information. This can be frustrating and debilitating, affecting not just our work or studies, but also our personal relationships and overall well-being. Many people experience brain fog after eating a large or heavy meal, which can be attributed to the sudden surge in blood sugar levels followed by a crash. This energy crash can leave us feeling lethargic, sluggish, and mentally drained. Lack of focus is another issue that many people face, where they find it difficult to stay on task, prioritize their work, or avoid distractions. This can be due to a lack of essential nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, which are crucial for maintaining healthy brain function. Fatigue is also a common problem, where people feel exhausted, both physically and mentally, even after getting enough rest. This can be caused by inflammation, oxidative stress, or other underlying health issues that can be addressed through dietary changes. In addition to these issues, poor nutrition can also lead to mood disorders, such as anxiety, depression, and irritability. This is because the brain is highly dependent on the food we eat to produce neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate our mood, appetite, and sleep patterns. When we don't fuel our brain with the right foods, it can lead to an imbalance of these neurotransmitters, resulting in mood disorders and other mental health issues. The good news is that there are many foods that can help boost our brain power, enhance our focus, and improve our overall mental performance. One of the top brain-boosting foods is fatty fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health. Other foods, such as nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, are also packed with essential nutrients that can help improve cognitive function. For example, walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to improve memory and cognitive processing speed. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, are not only delicious, but also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and development. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, contains flavonoids, which can improve blood flow to the brain, boosting cognitive function and memory. Turmeric, a spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and improve brain health. Blueberries are another brain-boosting food that is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Eggs are also an excellent source of several important nutrients, including vitamin D, B6, and B9, which are essential for brain health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, zinc, and copper, which can help reduce inflammation and improve cognitive function. Green tea is also a brain-boosting food that contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which can help reduce stress levels and improve focus. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K and folate, which are essential for cognitive function and brain development. These foods can be incorporated into our diet in various ways, such as adding them to our meals, snacks, or smoothies to reap their brain-boosting benefits. Incorporating fatty fish into our daily diet can lead to significant improvements in cognitive function, particularly in terms of memory, attention, and processing speed. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish can help reduce inflammation, promote brain plasticity, and even support the growth of new neurons. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, or other neurodegenerative disorders. In addition to its cognitive benefits, fatty fish can also help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. This is because the omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish can help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots. By incorporating fatty fish into our diet, we can not only boost our brain power, but also improve our overall health and well-being. The benefits of fatty fish can be seen in both children and adults, and it's never too early or too late to start incorporating it into our diet. For children, a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help support brain development, improve cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. For adults, a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline, improve memory, and even support the treatment of depression. Incorporating other brain-boosting foods, such as nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, can also have a significant impact on our cognitive function and overall health. These foods are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, promote brain plasticity, and even support the growth of new neurons. By making a few simple dietary changes, we can take the first step towards boosting our brain power and improving our overall well-being. In conclusion, nutrition plays a vital role in determining our mental performance, and the right foods can make all the difference in boosting our brain function, enhancing our focus, and improving our overall cognitive abilities. If you've got a favorite brain-boosting food, be sure to share it with us in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on healthy eating. And make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on health and nutrition.